Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix input delay in CS2. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your game, then you need to go to the here, and then you need to go to advanced video settings, and in a lot of times if your vsync is enabled, it will basically harm your input. So what you need to do here is you need to make sure that vsync is always disabled if your screen is not tearing up, right? And then you need to make sure that multi-sampling anti-aliasing mode is not on 8 times MCAA or 4 times MCAA, because also it affects your delay. So make it to CMAA2 maybe, or you need to make to double MCAA, something like that. And then global shadow quality also affects your input delay. Make sure that is on low or medium. And then also there is as you can see here, model texture detail, make it to medium or low. Then you need to make sure that shader detail and particle detail is also on low or medium. It's up to you, because also it affects your input lag. And then should be here ambient exclusion, also make it to disabled. And then you need to make sure that the high dynamic range is also performance. And then make sure that NVIDIA reflex low latency is enabled. And then you need to go to video. Then you need to make sure that you're playing on full screen, because it not will allow you to do refresh rate. And then just make it to your monitor's values. For me it's to 40, so you need to just go to your display settings and match your monitor values with a refresh rate, and it should help you. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.